Yo, what's up guys? Ali Plays 123 back with another video. And in today's video we are going to be opening up a set 3 battle box. So let me get the plastic wrap off. Okay. They're a little hard to get out. I got it. So the first card is Infi, the Galactic Squire. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was a problem. Looks like it's the Wild Wing of set 3. We got Angel Spacecraft. I don't know if I have this one yet. And a Terracotta Roca. Oh my gosh. That looks awesome. Now I have 2 Chaos Beast. Point Phantom, our first rare. Mystical Relic, Rainbow Quill. Space Pit. The Horde from Who Knows Where, left flank. Tron. Thorngaborg. Lumaveron. Whale. Whale. Point Trap. Dark Space Eater. Infi, the Galactic Squire. Wow, got another one. I have 7 Infi, the Galactic Squires, and wow. Extra small rescue. Friezelon, getting a ton of new cards. Crossbones Headquarters. 4-starred Feather. Commander Crossbones. Psychodorus, I think. So I don't know if I have that one yet. Tornadoom. Shockafly. Purgator. Omniplanetary Ticket. Ozokai. Planet Card Shios. Meteor Stop Off. This is our 4th rare. 5th rare is 3-headed Robact. Kaleidoscope Aureus. Pentaplanter. 3-starred Thristle. Defrostation Talisman. Zolok Beast Head. Stalatrunks Stalic Arm. Dandy. Tower of Drangel. Activation Activated Activator. And that's our last card. So for some reason, we did get a ton of the Infi, the Galactic Squires. Don't know why. It's like, I don't need that many, but let's look over the Infis. We got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. They're so easy to get. Let's now look over our rares. We got 1 Terracotta Roca, 3-headed Robact, Meteor Stop Off, Shockafly, Tornadoom, and a Point Phantom. So pretty good pulls. I'm really glad I got the 2nd Chaos Beast I needed. So now I only need Stalius Ascendian which is really good. For limited editions, we got Psychodorus and Angel Spacecraft. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.